All right, guys, so today we're gonna do some chicken fried rice, a little hibachi style. We got our rice, we got our zucchini, our sesame seeds, our soy sauce, our yum yum sauce, of course, for the very end, Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, oregano, I think that's garlic salt. We got crushed red pepper, cayenne, basil, and lemon and onion. First, we'll start with the chicken. What I'm gonna do is I always do a little bit of soy sauce, do some teriyaki. We'll let that kind of marinate for a few minutes before we throw it on the grill. Get some Himalayan pink salts. Not too much of this, these are big chunks. And come over here with some black pepper. Cool. We'll get some of this oregano. Cool, garlic salt. We'll do the smaller side here. Some crushed red pepper, super favorite. Don't use too much. Cayenne red pepper, basil, and we'll get some fresh lemon.